Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing another Leetcode challenge. Challenge number 121, can't even talk. Best time to buy and sell stock. You're given an array, prices, where prices bracket I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay, so something like that. Okay, so I guess this question is really tricky because there's not necessarily the best way to do it per se. I guess what I can do is we can probably do something, I don't know, like this. So let's come up with a couple, I don't know, strategy. Okay, just a couple strategy. So with our strategy, well, number one, obviously we can brute force. Loop through all the possible, that's actually not even gonna work. Because first of all, here's the thing. We have to locate when to buy it. And then when to sell it, right? Like, obviously how to do that. But, like, when to buy, there's many caveats to it. We can't just pick the minimum day. Because it's not, like, absolutely necessarily where if you buy... So, let's go to whiteboard for me to demonstrate this. So, there's not absolutely one way to do it. So for example, if I have an array of 7, 6, 8, 10, 1, and 2. We don't want to buy 1. We want to buy at 8. Because we can buy 8 and then sell it for $10. Right? So that's why we can't just pick the minimum number. I suppose the harder thing is, well, let's just take a look at the difference. That's not going to give you the answer either, because it's not going to give you the answer either, because then I can just say, okay, well, let's set this to, let's sell it at, I don't know, 20, right? Then obviously now, first of all, you will buy at 1, but then see how we skip 2, right? We don't want to sell immediately, we want to sell when it's 20, right? So I guess this difference really matters. So I guess that's the first thing I will do. I'll get the difference first. And now we can say prices diff. Prices diff dot append prices bracket I. What is this? Oh, I can. Okay, that's pretty cool actually. So you can take notes. I guess right now I'm planning to build another project. It's like basically like a Leetcode clone, but with more features to it. It's gonna be in Node. So this and that project gonna be one of the few projects where I actually pre-made it. So then I can actually build it, and there will be no interruption, hopefully, at least. But anyway, let's come back to this part. So then we can say prices diff dot append prices I, right? Okay. So let's see, what do we have here? And then, okay, prices diff. This object. Oh, in len. None is not. Okay, so the difference is. Oh, why would I do that? For I plus 1 minus prices I. And that's what I want. And that's the difference between the prices, basically. Right, so from this, basically what I can do is then I can do a bubble, where we can do a brute force, figure out the best possible case. Prices diff minus 1 for j in range of I, comma, lengths of prices diff. So let's say let's start at I equals 1 actually. Yeah, if prices diff bracket I plus let's say max profit, and then we can say buy, when to buy, or we can just say buy, sell. So oh, I don't even need it, I just need the profit. Okay, so then we can say if, I don't know, j minus prices diff I is, I don't know, 0? Wait, it's greater, I'm sorry, it's greater than the max profit, then max profit equals the difference, and then we can return max profit. Now, of course, there is a couple issues to it because of things. Okay, so what's happening here? Oh, okay. No, so this is not even an it yet. So when buy, so let's say we do need to buy, and then we do need to sell as well. Buy, we're gonna buy at I, sell at j. Right? Let's say if that's gonna give us the maximum profit. Return by sell. So then that should give me a list format, like whatever. I don't think that's probably gonna throw me an error. Yeah, conversion. Okay. Whatever. Return. Alright, we're just gonna do this. Prices bracket sell minus prices bracket buy. Okay, see. I got -6. Wow, alright. So, do you need to know? Print, say buy, comma buy, sell, comma sell. Alright. Yes, definitely will give you the maximum profit. Okay. Yeah, J is in the future compared to I. So this I'm not sure. Why would I do this? Why would I do this? Alright. Alright. So 10. Oh, yeah. I mean, if I'm doing this right, then yeah, I can just brute force it. I don't need this whole price diff thing. Prices, prices, prices. Okay, and let me do it. Okay. So this is also VS Code style. Can I just do a replace? I wish I can just do a replace. Probably there's a way, but I can't figure that out. Alright. Prices and prices. Okay. Yada yada. Then we still don't need to keep track of it. We can just return max profit. So this is a brute force solution, which works. Let's see if it's gonna give us time limit. Yeah, it's gonna give us a out of time error. Output limit. Oh. Yeah, let me just get rid of that. I have too many print statements. Yeah, so the list can take us up to 10 to the 5th. That's quite a bit of runtime we might need to have. So this might not work. I don't think it's gonna work. Right. So yeah, nightmare. Okay, so wow, what on earth is this? Okay. Yeah. All right. So let's see. How can I make this easier? Or by easier, I mean less time taking. So I guess the first thing is I can try to get rid of you guys. That's very unnecessary. You know, maybe exactly the same code or same solution will work in C++ because C++ is way faster. But I don't know. I don't know how Leetcode works. There's different language with different runtime checks. Probably, right? Okay. So time limit exceeded. All right. So if is there any way for us to do it without necessarily using a nested loop? No. Okay, here's a really stupid solution to this. I would expect. Let's see. How to sort an array descending. I think it's descendant is the biggest to smallest. Let's see. Sort. Let's look at this. So sort ascending. Okay, so I can do sorted. If sorted prices, comma, reverse equals true equals prices return 0. It's impossible for us. So it's impossible for us to have it if it's in a descending array. If it's in a descending. But I would expect some sort of... Am I stuck here again? Oh my god, I am darn. Huh? Is that not gonna work for this check? So they probably have sneaky one somewhere, not gonna lie. They probably just say like, hey, let's add a 1 somewhere. Screw this person's life over. Okay. So let's see. This strategy doesn't quite work out then. I wonder if there's any. Let's look at discussion, see if we can get any hints. Dynamic programming? Okay, well, let's search this up. Let's see if... Let's see if we can use dynamic programming. Okay, so we need recursion for this problem? Okay, so I still can't believe this. I'm trying to sort this. Yeah, and sneaky. I added just one number slightly bigger somehow. Oh my god. Okay. Hmm. Oh, this is very recent. Okay, let's see if we can think about it. Is there any other logic we can take? Without brute force. We can try to do it iteratively. We can try to do it this way. We pick a number, get the maximum out of it. So let's do this. We can do min. Okay, so let's say, so remaining, so future days, right? So then we can do what? Prices dot split, or not split. Prices I colon I plus 1 colon. Okay, future days, and then here we can write if, and then min, so we can figure out, or max. So best sale is max of future days, and then here we can write, I don't know how does a max work, maybe it's gonna be the same time overall, but if prices bracket I minus best or best sell minus prices bracket I is greater than max profit, and then we'll say max profit equals to U. Alright, let's see if this is gonna work. Yeah, this is still too slow. It's able to pass one of them. Oh my god. What a nightmare. It passed 198. So we're improving, I guess. So this still is really slow. Let's see. The problem is we don't know the minimum. You can't tell the minimum. Maximum depends on the minimum, right? But minimum also depends on the maximum. We need to determine a minimum. See, here's what I think we should do. Rather than loop through the entire list, we sort the list first. We sort the list first. So now we can say prices sorted. And then we can just say sorted price. We don't want to reverse to be true. We want to find the smallest number. Okay. So let's see. Price sorted. So that need to change. So that is what prices. The find I, or prices sorted I. Maybe. Bet sell is max future days. If bet sell minus price I is greater than max profit. Max profit equals bet sell minus price. Okay. Yeah. Oh. And then I don't really care. I don't convert this to a set really. Convert that to a set. Convert back to a list. That doesn't strategically end the problem though, because when do we know? When do we know the max profit has been achieved? We don't know when would the max profit be achieved. Let's see. Yeah, that's a big problem. Since okay, list has no attribute. Fine. All right, let's see. Find a. That's so close. Honestly, I mean the array it just looks stupidly long. Oh my god. It's stupidly long that I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna call it for a day, honestly. I mean optimize it? I mean I don't know how. That's a problem. Okay, I'll try this. I have an answer here. I do not care. As long as there is an answer. Okay, dot index. Dot index is a way to go. Let's see. I don't know what's making it so slow. Yeah. I mean, yeah, there's not really a way. Yeah. I guess I would just stick with this answer. Let me see. I never submitted it. Okay. So never mind. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with this answer. I would just call it for a day, I guess. I mean, I don't know how else would you optimize it. What on earth is this? Yeah, this, I don't know. I don't know how to optimize it. That's a problem. The problem is we're looping through everything a possible element, which is like rather inefficient. So, yeah. Well, anyway, I think it will be it for this video then. But, yeah, I mean, I'm kind of stuck in here. If any of you have any, let me see if I can unlock solution. Oh no. Oh, there's a video. Oh, subscribe to unlock, obviously. That reminded me derivative. We can take the derivative, find the relative extremis. No, you're taking integral. This is basically taking integral. Like, what can have the largest area? Okay, this is an interesting solution. All right. Well, I don't really have much time left, so we'll have to call it for a day. Thank you all for watching this video. If any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. And as always, stay safe and have a great rest of your day. And that was me, out.